Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to have a really funny tutorial. Today we're going to correct the errors in this program. You can see we have an error in line 9 and 12 and 15 and 16. Okay? So in line 9, we actually forgot here to close the double quotations. And then in line 10, I guess we here forgot the semicolon. And again in line 12, you can see that we used or we typed a double quotation and we didn't close it with double quotation. So yes, it's an error. And in line 13, we can see that we used a variable we didn't declare. You can see here that we declared temp and the temp and string first only. So if we want to let the user to enter last, so we must beside string first we must type a comma and then last. Okay, so yes. And in line 15 we can see that we are telling the compiler to let the user to enter a variable named temperature. We don't have a variable called temperature. We just have a variable called temp. So we're just going to delete this. And yes. And lastly, we have an error here, the same as we had in line 9 and line 12. As you can, if you can remember, we forgot the double quotations. I'm sorry, we use only one. Okay, and this is an error. The semicolon here is an error. And the temperature, as we said before, we don't have a variable called temperature. We just have a variable called temp. And by the way, we can change temp to be temperature. And like we will copy this if you want, by the way. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste and change this to be temperature. And yes, now we don't have any kind of error no more in this program, and we can run this. So let's see. So enter first name, it's Marina, last Maurice, and today's temperature is 34. Okay, I forgot the M. Okay, Marina Maurice, today's temperature is 34. Great. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.